In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Getting Started with SharePoint Online tutorial team site into a new site collection. So the very first thing that I've done is I've downloaded the file and expanded it to my local drive. You'll see here it's called gs.wsp. So with that file on my local desktop, I now navigate to the site collection that I wish to install it on, and I need to basically be logged into this as a site collection administrator. Now I select the cog in the top right hand corner and go to site settings. Now it's important that you're at the top of your site collection. So here we are here. You can see that in the bottom right you'll see that I know that I'm at the top here because I have the site collection administration option. Now when I have that option, you'll see that under Web Designer Galleries I have an option for solutions. So I will select that. This is the area that I can add in custom solutions. Now when I'm in this area I select Upload Solution, and this will then ask me to browse to a solution on my desktop. So I simply need to navigate to that downloaded WSP file. So I simply select that and go OK. Now that will upload that solution into my current site collection. Now remember, that may take a little while because it's got to be taken up from your local desktop and put into SharePoint. So let's just leave that upload for a sec. Okay, so now you can see that the solution has been uploaded. The next thing that I need to do here is I do need to activate that solution. So what I need to do is select that option there to activate it. This will make it available to me in my site collection. So when that process is complete, you'll see that I have the name that I've uploaded and the status, importantly, is activated. So that now means it is available throughout my site collection. Now the way that I deploy it is basically by creating a new site collection. So what I do here is I go to my site contents, I then scroll down and select the option to create a new subsite. Now I give the subsite the name that will make the most sense. In this case, Getting Started with SharePoint Online. I can put in a description and I can then give it a URL. So I'm just going to call it GS to keep it simple. Now when I scroll down here, you'll see that I can choose from a template. So these are the standard ones provided by SharePoint under Collaboration, Enterprise, and whatnot. Now if I go to custom, because I've added that as a custom solution, you should now see the Getting Started with SharePoint Online as an option. So with that selected, scroll down and you can then control how you want to manage the permissions, whether you want them to be the same or create new unique permissions. So in this case I'll leave it as the same, and again we now have the navigation options and also the navigation information. So I'm not going to change that, just keep it simple, but you can if you want. When I've completed that, I simply select the Create button and that will create a new subsite based on the Getting Started tutorial team site, and it will also put all the content from that tutorial team site in there ready for you to use. And again, this may take a minute or two while it's rolling out that content. So when that is complete, you'll be taken to the new Getting Started with SharePoint Online team site. As you can see here, if we go through it, you'll see that all the information is correct. If we go into any of the chapters, you'll see that not only are the videos there, but also the documents which you can then click on and open. So at this point, you're ready for your users to come in and start using the team site to learn more about SharePoint Online.